Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to do medium knotless box braids. First, let's talk about preparation. Begin by thoroughly cleansing and deep conditioning your natural hair. This ensures a healthy foundation. Next, detangle your hair completely to prevent knots and make sectioning easier. Gather all your supplies: braiding hair, a rat tail comb, clips, and edge control. Finally, divide your hair into 4 large, manageable sections. Now, let's move to sectioning and starting the braid. Using your rat tail comb, create clean, consistent sections. Aim for square or triangular parts, about 1 inch by 1 inch, for medium-sized braids. Take a small, thin piece of braiding hair and place it underneath a section of your natural hair at the root. Begin a 3-strand braid with your natural hair, slowly incorporating the braiding hair as you go down. This creates the seamless, knotless look. As you continue braiding, gradually feed in small, consistent pieces of braiding hair. This technique builds the braid's thickness and length smoothly. Maintain even tension throughout the entire braid to avoid discomfort or damage to your scalp. Braid down until you reach your desired length, typically leaving about 2 inches of unbraided hair at the very end. To secure the braids, dip the ends into hot water for about 30 seconds or carefully use a lighter to seal them. To ensure your beautiful medium knotless braids last, proper maintenance is key. Regularly moisturize your scalp and the braids themselves with a light oil or a hydrating spray. This keeps your hair healthy and prevents dryness. Always sleep with a silk or satin scarf or bonnet to protect your braids from frizz and friction. Avoid excessive pulling or tension on your scalp. With diligent care, your knotless braids can look fresh for 6 to 8 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.